After we're finished with our sketch, we're going to have a big white piece of paper and we are going to copy our sketch onto our paper. So we're going to be needing to make this sketch just a little bit bigger so it fills up this whole page now. So the first thing I'm going to do, and I'll use a marker so you can see it a little bit easier. First thing I can do, the easiest thing to do this, is to start with your line that goes all the way across your paper. So I can see that's a little above, about halfway on my paper. So I'll just go across from here. Alright, first line's done. Second line I could do, I'll just do this one that goes straight up there. Okay, second line's done. So I can do my third line, I'll just do that one right there. Looks like it's about right there. Goes straight down. And then the last line I have is one that goes right across here. Looks like right about there. And that's all I have to do for that step, is copying my sketch. After I have that part done, I'm going to go through and we're going to use these 3 strips of black paper. Got a big one, little one, a medium-sized one. And you're going to have to figure out how you're going to cover all these lines that you just made with these strips of paper. So you got to figure out which way, I'll move this out of the way now, which way you're going to fill this out. Now, if I try this one, notice it doesn't go all the way, so I might have to do, use a little bit of this right here to help make sure it goes all the way, or I could check this one, doesn't look, ooh, this one does go all the way. So this one goes all the way. And then maybe I'll try and get this line done. So I can cover up that line. I could try and cover up this line up here. But now, even after doing all that, I still have this line I need to cover up with my black paper. So I'll have to do a couple things. I could either cut off this extra right here and use that extra. I could cut anything else off with my black paper. Don't want to give away too many surprises. I want you to try and figure out how you can cut your black paper to get more strips of paper. Because you could almost be able to do it with just one strip of paper. If you cut it the right way, you can get one strip of paper to be able to cover your whole picture. So you'll get 3 different ones to try and do that. Once we're all the way done filling in our paper, so let's say we've got all of our spaces filled up here. Once we're done with that, now we would go through and start using paint to fill in my spaces. We'll start painting in our spaces. So if I'm looking at my sketch right here, I can tell these top 2 spaces that I have showing. This one was blank. It looks like this one would make this square blue. I could scoot it up here and see. Let's see, it looks like this big space over here would be red. And then over here it looks like this one's blank and this one would be yellow. So that's how we would be painting our picture, and we'll get finished up with it.